Here's a new 2018 Ford F-150. Job after job, this truck is always ready for the next project. It comes with all the amenities you need. V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, mirror mounted spotlights, gas pressurized shocks, rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At Sam Pack's 5-Star Ford, every vehicle we sell is thoroughly inspected before you buy. Come see us today. We're conveniently located on the Northeast Loop 820 at Roof Snow Drive in North Richland Hills.